I'm going to show you how to add DuckDuckGo to Dock. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and look at the lower bar where you can see multiple options like fire icon, tabs, and 3-dot button. Make sure you tap on this button, and now you have even more options like zoom, desktop site, find in page, disable privacy protection, and settings right over here. Tap on settings, scroll all the way down till you find the option of next steps right over here, and in there you can see add app to your dock. So it's really easy. All you really need to do is just tap on this option. Once you tap here, it'll show you how you can add DuckDuckGo to your dock. So let's just go ahead and try that. So DuckDuckGo is right over here. Tap on edit home screen, and now you can add to DuckDuckGo in your dock this way. Since the dock is full, I cannot do that, but that's how you do it. I hope this was helpful.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.